Hey, how's everybody doing? Dan with Mad Nasty Trapping coming back at you again with another episode of Know the Animals We Trap. This episode is on the very popular, heavily trapped, and one of the most sought after animals when we're trapping, the great red fox. Okay, let's get started here. Red fox range. The red fox is distributed from Alaska and northern Canada south of the Gulf of Mexico, except under the fall line of the southeastern states. Though it is found southward to the border of Mexico in places in the west, it is absent in the high plains from Mexico to central Alberta. I could have sworn they had red fox almost anywhere. Learn something new every time I flip a page in the Outdoor Bible. I truly do. I assumed that they were not only prevalent in my area, but prevalent almost anywhere across the United States, north, south, east to west. Apparently not. I'm learning as well as everybody else. Here we go. Identification. The red fox is slightly built and resembles a domesticated dog. There are considerable color variations. This species ranges from dark russet red to a light yellowish blonde. The nose pad and the outside of the ear tips are black. The upper face rusty. The throat and cheeks are white. The bushy tail, somewhat cylindrical in shape, is usually colored the same as the back, the darkest part of the animal, and has a light underside and a huge white tip. The belly tends to be white. Size. A mature red fox is 3 to 3.5 feet long, 13 to 15 inches of which is tail. Stands 16 inches high at the shoulder and weighs from 6 to 15 pounds. The latter is the top weight recorded. So back in 1976, everybody, and a lot of you seasoned trappers out there that have gone and targeted red fox as one of your primary species to trap, the closer you can get to the top weight recorded, 1976, mind you, the closer you get to 15 pounds, the better the animal you have. Beautiful thing. Again, learning right here with you guys. And this is all factual information. Via 1976. This is old. I probably should get a new book. But the Complete Outdoors Encyclopedia is the Bible. So, if you got yourself a 14-pounder, you're doing yourself pretty damn good in the red fox world trapping. So, food. Ranking at the top of its list is the meadow mouse, a plentiful and nutritious animal. The red fox also favors rabbits, ruffed grouse, quail, pheasants, muskrat, squirrels, hares, chipmunks, and groundhogs. Preying on poultry yards is frequent. Add weasels, snakes, shrews, beetles, moles, crickets, and grasshoppers, to this fox's menu, along with corn, melons, berries, and fruits. So that's all their foods. A lot of which you can keep in mind when trapping, when you're mixing and selecting your baits. Think about your general area in which you are trapping and what is native to that area, both on meat-wise, which would be their meat that they eat, as well as the vegetation around them that they would eat as well. Because remember, I did just mention on here that they also will tend to eat corn, melons, berries, and fruits as well. So everybody can take this into consideration when placing out a bait or variations, multiples of baits combined on your trap sets. The information within these books can be expanded upon, and you can get creative to go and build your catch count out in the field and on your trap line. This has been another installment of Know the Animals You Trap. Copyright is due 1976. Complete Outdoors Encyclopedia. I'm Dan with Mad Nasty Trapping, and I will be back with you with many more segments to come. Thanks, everybody.